Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with #DrGViswanathanchallenge question number 90, and a very bad start. I already show you the space and time complexity of this question. Well, this is okay, optimal space and time complexity. Well, this is a question from mathematics part, because mathematics and coding go hand in hand. So should I have done this power question? This question is what to say, easy but very frustrating to pass the test cases. And the reason is they are very foolish test cases, because if you go to the end of the test cases, you will find something, uh, -1 or 0 raised to the power something very big number, integer dot big, max value. Okay, so these numbers, my code is giving the right answer, but the stack overflow error are keep coming. So I have to put some modifications in the code. For example, if n is very big number, then instead of just finding the answer, return 0. Or if the number is 0 or 1 or something like that, return 1. So yeah, it's fine. Uh, so many runtime errors, stack flow errors. So this question is done. And sorry for the background disturbance. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. I will keep posting more videos.